Yeah, I hear all of it now. But it's too late to change your world. I'm sorry for the nights I left you alone, for the way I turned love into a broken home. I called it survival, I called it my life, but I was just bleeding you out every night.
And I still feel every word you didn't say, every promise you threw away. I tried to hold on through the smoke and the flame, but I lost myself learning your name.
I was a storm in your safe place, the one you loved through the wreckage I made. And I was the heart still waiting in the dark. No, we were already falling apart. We burned every road we were building, turned forever into dust and blame. We kept calling it love when it wasn't enough, just two souls caught in the rain.
Now we stand on the edge of the damage, where nothing feels quite the same. And I'm just ashes, you're just silence, and we're both still saying our names.
If I could take it all back, I would, but I know it wouldn't fix what it should. I was chasing ghosts in the back of my mind, while you were the only good thing I ever left behind.
I don't hate you, I don't even pretend, but I can't go back to where we began. Love like ours don't survive what we did. It just learns how to quietly quit.
I don't expect forgiveness. I don't even expect your hand anymore. I just hope when you think of me, it don't hurt like before.
It always will, just softer now.
We burned every road we were building,